In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to insert emojis into an MS Word document. Emojis can add a touch of personality, emotion, and visual appeal to your documents, making them more engaging and expressive. Whether you're working on a school project, a business report, or simply want to add some fun elements, emojis can be a useful tool. If you copy emojis from websites, Word doesn't always paste them correctly. In this video, we'll show you the perfect add-in that will allow you to add emojis like a pro. Place your cursor at the location in the document where you want to insert the emoji. This could be in the middle of a sentence or at the end of a paragraph. To access the Emojis add-in group, navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon. And in the Add-ins group, click on the Get Add-ins button. In the Office Add-ins dialog box, click in the search bar and type Emoji Keyboard. This feature's free, so you don't have to worry about having to pay for it. Click the Add button. In the dialog box that appears, confirm the license terms and privacy by clicking Continue. After installation, the application is automatically launched, and you can see it in the panel that appears on the right side of the Word document. You can search for an emoji by name in the search box or by the categories below it. In the gray bar at the bottom of the emoji panel, you can choose whether you want to add the emoji as text or as an image. Let's leave the text option unchecked and click on the notorious slightly smiling face. If you would like to enlarge the emoji, just highlight it, navigate to the Home tab, and in the font group, select the size you want. The biggest advantage of adding the emoji as text is that it's inserted as vector graphics, which means you can enlarge it without any quality defects. We can also add the emoji as an image, and we have several size options to choose from extra small to extra large. Let's give it a try. For example, let's choose a size M, medium, and click on, say, angry face. You can see that its quality is not as good as the text emoji. This is because image emojis are raster graphics. The main difference is that the bigger the size, the worse the quality. If you don't need the emoji keyboard anymore and want to uninstall it, navigate to the Insert tab. Click on My Add-ins. In the dialog box next to Emoji Keyboard, click on the three dots and select Remove. Then confirm it by clicking Remove once again. In this video, we learned how to insert emojis in Word 365. Emojis can add a touch of creativity and enhance the overall visual appeal of your documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.